Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, we'll start from the beginning. Here goes Marissa. Say hi.
Hello.
Tell them you love them or something.
Hi, Matt. It's 2 days after Thanksgiving, and it's Michael's birthday today. And we love you, miss you, and I think you should go on to the next person. And
Okay.
I'll come back to me in a minute.
Okay. Here's Naya. Say hi, mamas.
Hi, Matthew. I love you so much, but I want to see you.
Be loud.
Look
I
to the
want
camera.
to see you, but we can't because we're at Oregon, and
That's a lot of spit.
I don't know what else.
Okay.
Okay.
Mommy?
Hi, Matt. It's me, Mom. I love you. I miss you. I'm not crying today, but I did cry a lot on Thanksgiving. Saw the video, liked it. You need to clean your room. Pick up the mess off the floor.
Don't make her go down there.
I love you and I miss you a lot. Hope we get to see you soon.
Okay.
Hey, what's up,
Lavarte.
Matt? I miss you, but can't see you until probably Christmas.
Open your eyes a little bit.
It's too
Okay.
sunny. We need to sound
Okay.
like over there.
Next person.
Okay. The D. Say hi to Matt.
Hi.
Tell him you love him and you miss him,
Throw
son.
the line.
I love you and I miss you.
I cut his hair.
Tell him you're
Oh.
5 and you played football.
Yeah.
I'm 5 and I played football.
All right.
What's
Ow.
up, Matt? I love you.
Miss you.
I miss you. So, come down.
Right. Okay.
Now,
Oh. Hold on. I'm gonna show him his. Okay, Steve. We got this on the car because it was parked out in the street, and it broke down, and they was trying to throw it away. I mean, tow it. So, yeah. That's why we brought it up here.
we're still in the same neighborhood.
And this is me. I miss you. Love you. Can't wait to see you.
Show him how you pierce your tongue.
He knows.
Oh.
It's been pierced.
Oh, show him
Oh.
Wade's still here.
Wade's still here. We still got him around.
White people.
White power. Okay. And then we still live in the same house. You know. Yep.
Hey,
Same big old tree. Oh.
back again.
Back again. Marissa's back again.
Back again. Just want to say that we love you and miss you, and do good in school.
Do good in school.
Say no to drugs.
Yeah. We still got the blazer. Everything's the same. No leaves. Yep. Alright. We'll make another one in a little bit. Okay. Bye.